Welcome to apartment 155 at Rivers on the Park, situated in the vibrant suburb of Toowong. Step into this beautifully renovated 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, plus a separate study and a secure parking. Located on the 7th floor, offering a stunning northeast aspect with captivating river and city views. The spacious living area is bathed in natural light, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. From here, you can enjoy the sweeping views or relax on the balcony and soak up the scenery. The newly renovated kitchen features sleek finishes, stainless steel appliances, and ample storage spaces. Adjacent to the kitchen is a stylish dining area, perfect for hosting intimate gatherings. The 2 well-appointed bedrooms provide a peaceful sanctuary, each equipped with its own ensuite bathroom. Wake up to breathtaking views of the river and city every day. This property overlooks the inviting pool and tennis court, offering residents the opportunity to indulge in a resort-like lifestyle, including a gym, sauna, and spa within its well-established complex. It's not often apartments on this level with this layout and view come available. My name is Nicholas Stankovic, and let me guide you home.